Hey everyone, it's Chriso. One more tile to put in. I can't do that wall because I've run out of tiles. The owner has ordered more and they'll be back in a week, or they'll be here in a week. I'll be back in a week and a bit. I'll go and do another. I'll grout this tomorrow. I'll grout everything up, and then what's tomorrow? Tuesday. Wednesday morning I'll do the silicon, pack away my tools. Thursday I start another bathroom. I'll start stripping that out Thursday, and then I've got the plumber coming in Friday to rough in. Once I've done that bathroom, I'll come back here, do that wall and do this toilet for them, because we're short of these tiles as well, and they're all coming about next Friday, which is a week away or 4 days away. So I'll duck away, do this other bathroom, come back and bowl this out. That'll give him a chance, the owner, a chance to take out that sill, architrave it up. I'm going up that wall in the subway tile, the same as that one, up there to the bottom of the window, and then it's just a skirting tile. But they want the same strip on the floor as I've got there. They love that, so that's cool. With that toilet floor, I'll center it so I'll have the even cut either side, and we're laughing. I made that floor height the same as that one. That one's a little bit higher because I was a bit restricted with the linear drain. I had to bring it up just a tad, so I made that floor higher by about 7 mil. The plumber, not my plumber. If it was my plumber, I would have fair told him off, but all it was laziness. He didn't put the pipe down far enough, and when it's all glued together and that sort of thing, you can't shift it, you're stuffed. I couldn't have lowered the pipe even if like I wanted to, but nah, not when it's all glued together. You're stuffed, that's it. Where it is what I had to work with. So I just had to build the floor up, just a tittle diddle moor, but that's all right. What can you do? So tomorrow we'll grout her up. I'm going to do that feature wall in like a slate grey. Don't want the lines to stand out too much. You're meant to, in that sort of case, hide your lines a little, so you see the feature tile, not lines. You don't want lines staring at you. It's that feature tile that you look at. Okay, we'll see you soon. In my discussion with you, I hope you're picking up little points here and there with my camera going around, picking up little things. What I do across here is I put in a full tile. I don't do that sort of carry on, no. It'll be the same here. The owner's gonna put a head in. It'll be the same height as this door. So you just go across there with a full tile. This is Chriso signing off. We'll see you soon. Ciao.